Decided you'd rather just pay for your entire Klarna purchase up front? In this video, I'll show you if and how you can switch from pay later to pay now. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Sometimes you just want to clear the balance. The good news is that Klarna usually allows you to pay off your entire balance early. Open the Klarna app and go to the Payments tab. Find the purchase you want to pay off and tap on it. Look for an option that says Pay Early, Pay Off Early, or Pay Now. Selecting this will show you the total remaining balance. Confirm the payment, and the full amount will be charged to your linked payment method, effectively closing that payment plan. A crucial pro tip: there is no penalty for paying early with Klarna. Unlike some traditional loans, Klarna does not charge any fees for paying off your Pay in 4 or financing plans early. It's a great way to manage your debt and simplify your finances. And just like that, you're debt-free on that purchase. Switching to Pay Now gives you peace of mind and saves you from future payments. Do you prefer to pay in installments or pay everything off at once? What's your financial philosophy? To share with friends, watch our next video on how to send Klarna invites to friends. Thanks for watching.